Out of all the trees, several of them did get rubbed by deer, and we lost 2. So I'm going to replace them, hopefully, by just putting a chain around it. It should come straight out. When they plant them, they're still wrapped with like metal cage or metal wire or something, so the roots will grow through that, but they've only grown for 2 years. I think I can pull it straight out. Tractor's big enough. And then I got 2 new ones. There's the other one. So this is what they look like. Hoping I can just hook onto something and rip it straight out. Or chain the trunk, we'll see. I'm gonna use this chain wrapped around the trunk to pull them up. And then I'm just gonna set them in by hand, get them close with the tractor. Tree number 1 set. Let me get rid of that one. Tree number 2 set. And I gotta get rid of the other one. Just gonna pick a spot in the woods and go dump it. Can't just like mix it in the field. I got wildflowers growing there. A meadow. Hey dog. So I gotta finish backfilling this a little bit. And I got a baseball game to go to in like 10 minutes. So I'm gonna have to get busy. These bulbs were quite a bit larger than these ones are, so there's quite a bit of a gap to fill. And I got all the dirt sitting right here. And I got like 10 minutes. Not a lot of time.